Omnicharge, we believe in innovative power solutions. Introducing the Omni Off-Grid Power Station. Powerful, compact, and versatile. The future of off-grid power. Designed with the help of our backer community. Together, we created a versatile and compact power station. An all-in-one solution to power all your devices in any kind of situation. Like powering this entire video production. Its functionality and portability enables you to be ready at all times. Whether it's powering your camera gear for that epic shot, keeping your laptop charged so you can work anywhere, powering the tools you need for your off-grid campsite, or staying connected as you discover uncharted places. Because Omni Off-Grid is more than just a power station. We've developed Omni Connect, an add-on module which allows you to set up your own private network. You can communicate and share your location data between all your devices, even when there's no cell signal, giving you the confidence to explore without ever losing touch. So, sit back and let Omni Off-Grid power all your adventures. And for those who'd like to extend their stay, there are many convenient ways to recharge the power station, giving you the flexibility to live your life on or off-grid. Omnicharge, making off-grid power and connectivity possible.
I started Status Audio 6 years ago from my Brooklyn apartment with a simple idea: build premium, unbranded headphones that deliver more for less. Since then, we've won praise from technology editors, music professionals, and most importantly, a loyal group of over 250,000 listeners worldwide. With the Between Pro, we wanted to try something totally different. There's just too many overpriced, underwhelming wireless earbuds that all essentially look and sound the same. So we reimagined design and technology to build the best sounding, best fitting, most advanced wireless earbuds in the world. The difference is simply in the quality of the components that we're using. So the Between Pro have what's called a triple driver system. Inside each earbud are 3 speaker drivers for a total of 6 components producing sound. The earbuds that you've likely used in the past have just 1 speaker driver per earbud. That means that the entire frequency spectrum, from the low bass notes, through the mids, and up into the higher, more sibilant textures, are all being reproduced by just 1 driver. These products are inherently limited in how good they can sound. The Between Pro launches later this year for $169, but we're taking to crowdfunding to offer early discounts of over 50%. With your support, we can make this product a reality and get more people hearing great sound. Thank you so much.
Every person has the capacity to heal themselves. If you think about it, that is what we're doing 24 hours a day. We're creating new cells, removing cells that are no longer needed. We're recycling, repairing all the time.
Your body functions in a similar way to a battery. And your health is determined by your ability to receive and maintain a charge.
I think red light therapy is the most exciting developments that I've seen in my career.
Light at certain wavelengths is proven to interact with the body in beneficial ways.
This is really the way forward. This is going to make such a dramatic difference.
Astronauts, Olympic athletes, wealthy people, they have been using red light therapy for a long time. So what we have done is to take this powerful technology a big step further.
There has been a revolution in LED technology. The LEDs have become so much more powerful, so much more efficient. So now we can make a product rechargeable and portable for a fraction of the cost what it used to be.
I have seen that it has a dramatic effect on people's health.
Every time I use it, it just gives me this immediate release.
I'm at a 0 or 1 on the pain scale now. After 9 sessions, my migraines are not affecting me right now.
Suddenly I was able to open my arm fully and I was really surprised.
It just never softened up until, I tried the FlexBEAM.
It enhances your immune system. It works on gut-brain axis, the connective tissue. It improves the circulation and it regenerates your nervous system.
FlexBEAM is the proud result of more than 2 years of product development. And at Recharge, we invent and make all our products in-house. So when you order your FlexBEAM, we assemble it right here, and then we ship it straight to you anywhere in the world.